Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app on your phone. And from over here, before we proceed guys, you need to know that in the latest update of the TikTok guys, there is no dark mode option available for us on the TikTok itself. But whereas if we are on the dark mode on the system lights, then TikTok will be converted to dark mode. Now in order to proceed to turn on the dark mode on TikTok, open up the notification panel of your phone and let's do this. Whereas you'll be required to search for the dark mode option available on your phone. If it's not on these options, then you can see the pen icon available for us. Tap on that pen icon, and these kinds of extra options which were available on your phone but not on the panel will be available for you over here, where there is the dark mode option available for us guys. You can see just beside the keyboard on this section. Tap on dark mode and put it over here. And the dark mode is available on our notification panel. Now let's turn it on. And with that being done guys, your TikTok should be on the dark mode, but if it's not guys, we won't be able to change it since the TikTok has removed that options from over here where there was the dark mode option available, but it's not now. So with that being said guys, if a dark mode was available for TikTok on your phone, then the dark mode will be enabled over here. But since it's on, not mine one is not on dark mode, I guess you can't, but in some cases it will change to dark mode. And with that being said guys, this is how to turn on the dark mode on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.